Well, folks, now that's off. And now, you look right there. Right there. See how all the top of this is all wet? Everywhere. Leaking. You got her. Leaking. Look at all that coolant down there. Wow. So now I'm going to lift the car up. I'm going to empty out the rest of the coolant, whatever's in it. I'm going to drain the oil. I'm going to try to suck up whatever I can without taking that off. But no, I'm just going to drain the oil, drain the coolant, come back up and peel this off and do the major cleanup. Start putting it all back together. And just like that, pop all the old ones out, put new ones in. They just sit down in there. They have little tiny tabs that'll just hold it in for you. So even if you flip it upside down, she'll hold.